Big shot from Kumar Singh. First one down. Mohammed Afan gets the breakthrough. Akmal. And not a great strike. Disappears. This is definitely out. This is definitely. Tickling fine. And here's the first boundary. Up and away. Wonderful little flick. Doesn't quite go all the way. But it's another. Tried the York and got pumped. Through cover. Delightful. And again, could be out. Oh, it is! What a magnificent diving catch in the deep. First ball, Smith goes bang, straight back over his head. Don't worry about the greens. To call wicket to wicket bowler. Smith's gone big and he beats the man at long on. One day rankings. Oh, he's gone right through him. Massive appeal and the appeal goes to the bowler. Dwayne Smith looks forlorn, but what a magnificent delivery that gets through Dwayne Smith.
That's a smash, beautifully timed.
Born in Lahore. Full toss, Hafiz down the pitch, dancing feet. Oh, that's a good six.
Might have someone to counter him this year.
He's had to reach for this as well. Man there. Kyron Pollard has got an enormous pair of hands and he doesn't drop the white cricket ball, not when he's fielding there.
Number 160. And that is that. Out of the fat and out of the ballpark. Bit of spin here and there, but he normally just bowls quick at you. Bounce. Signal here.
My grandfather. So we're basically from Peshawar. So obviously I'm supporting the Peshawari team.
On the charge. Didn't get all of it. Who is quick. Has gone up in the air. Should be taken. Easy catch. Long on is the slow ball. Gets worked over the infield for 4. 50 full outside off stump. He's gone short. He's going to pay. So poor bowling again. Watch out for leg side heave. That's gone up in the air and with good effect. 6. That does spin at the death. It's a scoop for a 6. It's a straight shot and a good one. Beats. Oh, gone. Gone. Slow ball attempted by Junaid Khan. Good change of pace, good thinking. Oh, that's set up beautifully for Sammy, and that's... Oh, another massive drive. Right then, Sammy hits it hard and will find the fence. That's
up. I think that's dangerous.
Edge caught behind, gone. Wanted to hit it for another massive one. He's cursing himself. But the cameo has come to an... Hit KP off the golf course. Yeah. There's a little flick of the wrists and... Gonski! Here's the first one. Azhar with the catch. Down in the deep, the Bangla boys are loving it. The move. Yeah, Jordan, he's got into the... Bit of width on offer. And that's what happens when you do that. Enjoying it. Oh, you can watch that. And there he is, he's underway. With a boundary.
Oh, he's picked this up. Goodness, these pick. It's gone again. Man underneath there. Well, you can't bowl short to this man. You just are asking. Oh, Maqsood, how well has he hit this? 2 men converging. Lovely.
Chocolate drink. Oh, there's the wrong, and he hits with the spin. There he goes. Big straight six. Make that full. That's not such a great start. That's for Singakara, 49. That's gone. 6. What a way to bring up your feet home. Oh, caught behind. That's the good one. Barbara strikes.
Slapped away, and this will go for... Oh, he's gone wide. It's too wide from Chris Jordan. That over's gone for 12. It's one. It's gone short again. Man out there. Oh dear, Dwayne Smith didn't pick it up.
Offside. Oh, that was wide. That would have been a wide, but he could reach it because he's got a little dot ball.
Yeah, he's gone big. He's gone very big. And it's gone for 6. And that is the winning moment. Shoaib Malik, the captain, makes it a win on debut for the Multan Sultans in the H.